Yo, welcome to another segment of our tutorial, and today I want to teach you how to make test fit a part. So these are the parts that I have drawn here all over. We have different shapes here, and we are going to make our various tests fit this part. So let's get right to it. We are going to click on this one and we will make it fit this test, the part. So I will head over to test menu and look for fit test to part, and I click on this. Then I'm going to move it to the direction of the test of the shape, and this is what we are going to have. If you want it to be inside of our shape, you have to move it carefully. It's sometimes messy, and whilst you get exactly what you want, click, and there you go, you have your text here. So you could see that the rest of the text is kind of hidden here. This is because the shape it cuts here, so the text has to cut here as well. If you want the text to continue, you have to select. Let's select our shape. Sometimes this could be a bit hard to do, so let me click on this F2 to make it a bit bigger for me. And now that it is big, I can have it directly and interact with it. So I can pull it here, my shape longer, so I can have my text to fit. So now if you could see, our text fits perfectly. You could also decide to make this fit the bottom of the shape, so I'll move it here. So here I'm clicking, and there we go, we have this here. I can still move it here without selecting fit to path. Now you can move it any way you want it. So let's go ahead and do the rest of them. Click here and go to test and move it here, fit to path. I'll bring it all the way here, and let me move it somewhere here and click. There we go. And let's send this one here. But before we do that, what I want to do is turn this 90 degrees. 90, type 90 there in the angle of rotation, enter. Then I'm going straight away to my test menu, click and move it here. Let's get this here, click, and now the test has cut because it is the shape is shorter than the test. You can do exactly what we did here to correct that. Because of time, I'm going to hurry with this, and let's get this done. So this is how you fit text to part.